There is Nigeria and there is Naija. What's he talking about? I guess you're familiar with the country Nigeria. You guessed right. The one nicknamed Big Brother Africa or Giant of Africa. You might not have heard about Naija, but it is one and the same with the country Nigeria. The difference lies in the philosophy of the word. So be patient and learn more on this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Nigeria is the country that was created from the amalgamation of the North and South Protectorates on 15th January 1914. The country is blessed with the black gold known as crude oil. Many people, however, do not know that the country is blessed with many other resources. That's, by the way, Naija is the topic in focus. In simple terms, Naija is the slang name for Nigeria. It does go much further than this though. Naija is a symbolic word driven by the spirit it effuses. It represents the hardworking, industrious, and ingenious nature of Nigerians. People like Chinedu Echoro, Nigerian tech entrepreneur who sold hop stops to Apple in 2013, and Olugbenga Agboola of Flutterwave, among many others, are examples that show the Naija spirit. Little wonder Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg, Twitter's Jack Dorsey, and Alibaba's Jack Ma visited Nigeria recently. Meanwhile, Chimamanda Adichie is ensuring that the flame the late Chinua Achebe lit keeps burning. The never say die attitude of Nigerians, even when all hope appears to be lost, is second to none. Nigerians are epitomes of the motivational phrase, "There is no word like impossible." Tell a Nigerian it cannot be done and it will go to ends of the earth to prove you wrong. A Nigerian will literally catch a grenade just to prove its possibility. So I advise you, ensure you have a Nigerian on your team if you plan to take the world by storm. In essence, guys, Naija signifies the love we Nigerians have for our country, the optimistic outlook we have on life, and the continued pursuit of happiness with every last ounce of strength, ingenuity, and industriousness. I say again, get a Nigerian on your team if you want to take the world by storm. We would like to hear your thoughts about the word Naija, and please subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thanks, and see you in the next video.